Hello and welcome to a tiny corner of my apartment. I am the Hank Soda, and today I've got something a little different. I have these Mega Gross Minis. I found these at a local discount store up by the register, and I'm a sucker for stuff like that, so I picked one up. For those of you who don't know, Mega Gross Minis are gross, disgusting versions of popular products. For example, Buttella. Inside this ball, there are 5 of these gross little things, so let's get right into it. All right, we've got it open. Inside we've got a sticker that says Magster. It's got little maggots. There is some, what is this? Toilet slime. And that just looks like, oh, gross. Maybe I'll open that up later. Here we have a little garbage bag with the products in it. Let's see. Alright, we'll start with the small one. It's just a little magnifying glass. Alright. And this is Budinsky's peanut butter. Okay, that's gross. Peanut butter. But it's got a little plunger there. Alright. Next we've got, oh, it's an iPhone. Get it? iPhone. And there's a little brain back there as well. Alright. And the last one is, oh, a slime energy drink. Little maggots in the top there. Alright. Well, I guess I should open this. Alright, that's just gross. Well, I don't know what else I was expecting. It lived up to its hype. They're pretty gross. Anyway, that's all for now. Till the next time. Bye.